interview.
So, can you please tell us
Hi Kamlesh.
what are the
Hi,
questions he asked to you?
What?
What are the questions
Can you
Braganza
repeat?
Sir asked to you?
Questions. The questions. He asked me the basic questions like the centrifugal pump and the VCR system. But I don't know why he did it. He said me. He took the interview only for the 15 minutes, and I answered all the questions in the correct way, in a mannered way. But I don't know why he didn't select me.
Okay.
After 15 minutes, he just denied that you are not selected. You must try next time. I said okay.
Why you said okay? You should said, could you please tell me why I'm not
Tell me where
getting
you are
selected
talking.
in this
bro,
time?
you don't
I,
get that chance,
I
okay?
heard that many
He
students
says
have
that,
asked
waits
for
for
that,
2 minutes
but
and kicks you out.
Hmm?
You don't get that chance to discuss it. He says you are not selected, waits for 2 minutes, and just kicks you out of the meeting.
yes, he
He
did.
doesn't waste any time on
He did.
explaining why you are not selected. Like he has to take many interviews in a day. So it's just okay, you are not selected. You get that.
And also a weird
You said
thing.
yes, you are out.
Yes. And Kamlesh, also a weird thing happened that day. Like in the whole interview, he didn't look at me. He was like all the time he was
When did you
looking
give the
at his
interview?
paperwork, and he was not even looking at me. He was just saying the questions, and I was answering. He was not even looking at me.
I also felt that way. He was very bored. Actually, my interview was in the evening. So I think he was very bored and
Yeah.
he was yawning and didn't had any interest in that. So it's like, anyway, let's just get started with the question.
Can I,
There's
facing
no
the
point of
glitch, can
discussing all
I
that stuff, right?
start again the meeting after leaving the meeting?
What?
Yes.
If it's necessary, we can.
Yes. Hi. I think our in charge is not coming today. It is very good that we need to discuss these things. Hello, am I audible to everything? Everyone, sorry.
Yes,
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 He
can
was
you
there,
audible?
no?
bro.
Okay.
Yes, bro, you are audible.
Just you said that Brajanga sir is not going to look you. It can also happen. So we have to be mentally prepared for that. Otherwise, we can become conscious why he's not looking,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
we'll think, sir, look, sir, then I will answer. Then maybe we can lose our chance. These are the things. And
Yes.
I think what is the same experience you had, Kamlesh, I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, same experience. He was very
Like what
bored.
actually
He
happened?
started with a
He
big yawn.
started, how they started, what are the things, what are the first questions he asked, basic, in
Okay, so
non-technical.
first question he asked about, tell me about yourself. Where are you from? And tell me about your family. These are his first questions. I just give him a minute. I just
And sir,
wrote all the
in my
questions.
case, he just asked my name and he started with the question.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same, exactly like me.
When was your interview? In the evening, morning, afternoon?
Like it was in the evening.
It was
Bro,
Mine
okay.
like
was in the evening. 17th of
mine was
October.
in
I still
the
remember the date.
afternoon.
A morning person get more question than evening person, isn't?
But at least he gets the
Questions
attention. No,
weren't that tough.
attention becomes priority when it comes to that. Like, imagine I'm taking your interview. I'm just like looking here and there, not paying attention to you. You'll just lose the hope in very few minutes.
See,
So that's why.
Yes.
So just expect the worst and be prepared. That's all we can say right now.
I think
Actually, we should
So
go
many
with the
people,
who's asking the
it is
question?
the, it matters more when you don't mentally prepare with these things. All of a sudden, you can get blank at the same time. He's not taking interest in my
Hello?
answer. I
On that
must
note,
be speaking wrong.
I gave interview
Yeah,
with
your network is
SPS supervisor
fluctuating.
as well.
Hello,
Yeah.
guys. Hello. Actually, I gave my online exam on 11 Jan, but unfortunately,
that?
I couldn't make it.
Mhm.
Hello, I'm Rutik Ghotni, but unfortunately, I couldn't make through it. So I hope this thing won't bother you because I have joined this meeting.
No, not at all.
No,
That
no,
is
no, no.
for
As long as
you
you're
more.
participating in discussion, it's fine.
Okay. I thought that this is an interview session or
No, no.
Nah, nah,
We'll
nah.
just for
also take
interview
one to
students.
The
one
many guys are
mock interview.
appearing for the test, no?
Okay. No. I thought that this is just for interview students only.
No, no.
It's
We are
just a
also preparing
discussion.
for our examinations on for exam only.
So let me check. How many people like here? I know Kamlesh. Kamlesh has been in the meeting. Like Kamlesh has cleared his written, I think 2 times.
Yeah, actually 3 times. This is my 3rd
Times.
time
Sorry.
clearing the return.
And
Yeah.
Harshit,
First
what
time I
about
gave
Harshit?
interview to SPS Obera. Then
Yes. What about Harshit? Hi, Harshit.
Hello.
Yes,
My network is quite poor.
you are audible.
So were you asking something?
Yeah. What about you? What are you up to? Like, uh, what are you? Have you cleared your written, or are you waiting for your exam?
So as I already told you that it's the second time I'm appearing for the interview. Like I'm
Yeah.
waiting for the interview to be held. My exam
Yeah.
was on 12th of Feb in Delhi.
12th of Feb, Delhi. You told, na? Okay. And Subham, hi Subham.
Hi. I cannot apply for the previous Anglo because I'm not having the 65% in the 12th.
Have you
I
applied
have just
IMS
applied
Goa?
for. No, today sorry, tomorrow I'm going to apply for that.
Okay. You people, like, all you have applied IMS Goa yet or not? Form has come. Registration has.
No, still I haven't applied still, but I'm
So
going to apply.
I've only applied for Anglo. That's it.
So anyone, any other who wants to share his experience regarding interview, like other than Brajanga sir, anyone get to meet Rishi Rana sir?
Actually, hello.
Yeah.
Before moving towards the interview, can you please guys share your experience about online exam, that how you cleared it?
I think Kamlesh, you can. Kamlesh brother.
No,
And
he's not
yes.
here.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm here.
Mm.
Actually, I've said already that is I used to practice the MCQs, clear the. I mean, I have went through all the dreamer lectures once, I guess. Yeah, made the notes. I used to read them once, twice, and then used to solve as much MCQ as possible. That's it. The test, it's
there is
not
one
that hard.
other.
You have to just manage it properly. If you're solving MCQs, you'll get the idea about how it is. And this time there was electrical questions as well, so expect it in the
Exactly.
next interviews as well, next exams as well. Because before this turn, no, there weren't any electrical questions, one or two max. But this time, some guys had around uh, as much as 20 questions as well.
I've got 18
In my
questions.
set also, there are 6 to 7 question of on a mechanical aptitude, mechanical or special aptitude.
No, mechanical
So I
aptitudes
am a little
is
bit
always asked.
comfortable. So some student doesn't say me that the mechanical aptitude part, so I just not prepare that, but it is easy to solve.
Okay. Kiran, are you there?
Hello.
Okay. So guys, how's your preparation going right now? How many hours you are giving for your interview and for your written? From the last 3 days, I was not taking meeting because I was having high fever. Now I am feeling anxious about that. I lost 3 days in crucial time, and we have only 24 days, I guess.
So Gyan, are you going to entrance on 26?
Yes, I am going to appear in 26th March exam from Delhi.
Okay.
Anyone who is also going to appear Delhi Center exam 26?
Yeah, bro. Me, Rakesh.
Rakesh. Where from you?
Bro, from Jammu.
Jammu. So from where you are coming? Like from Jammu, when you are coming, you can come to me. Like come to my place.
Bro,
One day prayer.
I booked the train on the same day, on the 26th itself. Like, I will be there at around 4:30 or 5 a.m. in the morning.
When you joined that group, our group,
In the first day itself, bro. Actually,
like
I
there
was
was one two
not
guy.
able to.
There was
I
one two
was not
guy.
able to join before. Sorry. Okay, you can continue.
There was one guy from Andhra Pradesh. He was saying to me that it is very hard to come on that days itself where I will stay if I come before. So I asked them if
Yeah,
anyone in the group facing same issue can come to my place. We'll go together. It's in my hostel.
yeah, I read that. I Yeah, I read that your messages.
Because
I was
it
not
will be
able to
very
join
hectic.
before two meetings. Okay, but it's okay. Actually, I have to. I am not getting much leads about from the company, and so
Okay. Yeah,
I have
since
to
you are
take care
working
that.
now, that's why every day is important for you. You can't miss that. Guys, anyone who is lefting who want to speak something like Somnath, we didn't get to see Somnath. Let today meeting be non-technical and just discussion because the person who is going to take charge of meetings with some questions, he is not present yet. Hi Somnath.
I am present. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
He
Kiran.
is there
Hello.
waiting
Kiran is
for the
there.
opportunity.
I think
Hello.
Kiran is there to
Hello.
conduct the
Yes.
questions.
Look,
Yes, yes, you are audible.
anybody hear me?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes,
Kiran
Kiran,
there.
I'm hearing you.
I am there for last 15 to 20 minutes.
I was
I'm not audible.
Everyone is calling out, dude.
Hello.
Somebody have must heard. I already called 3 to 4 times. Kiran, are you there? Kiran, are you
Yeah,
there?
yeah,
And I
Arey,
was
I
I
take
think
part in
now,
a
Kiran, you should
discussion
go with
also.
the
yeah.
questions,
It
I
talked
think.
also. It just his name wasn't visible. That's why
yeah.
maybe
That's
we
why
got
I
confused.
just doubting that I am recognizing his face. That's why I asked again. Kiran, are you there? Redmi bhai,
Yeah,
Xiaomi,
Arey,
what? Yeah, Kiran.
my name was Redmi by Xiaomi.
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Your name
that's
is
why
showing red
I
by
was
Xiaomi.
Arey,
I was feeling
arey, arey,
confused
arey,
that
arey.
you must be Kiran. That's why I asked 2 times. Hi Kiran. Now, so can we start with the
Really, just
technicals also,
Hi.
or can we
yes,
just
yes,
go
yes.
on with
Without
the
wasting any time.
Yes, yes.
not
I
wasting?
think let's
Yes,
just
yes,
start
yes.
with the technical part, and at about non-technical when we'll conduct one-on-one interview, na, then at that time we'll discuss non-technical and personal
Yes,
questions.
I
I
think
think
that.
that would be better.
Yes, I
Okay,
think
okay.
that will be better.
So
Yeah,
can I start?
Okay.
yeah, sure.
Before starting, Kamlesh, I will request you also share your
Mhm.
experience with the body language of Braganza Sir. No,
Uh,
Kiran, you are appearing for first
uh,
time. Sorry, I forget that.
Kamlesh, can you please anyone please turn on your videos. Hello.
Yeah. Yes. Hello. What happened?
Hello.
Yeah. We can hear you.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello. Yes, we can
Hello,
hear
bro.
you. Hello.
Yes. So what said? What what are you saying again?
what?
I had
What are you
forget
saying
that
again?
I had forget that you are appearing in interview for first time. I had just said that to share your experience with the body language of Braganza Sir. We were discussing about body language of Braganza Sir, that while taking interview, he don't look uh, on your face. He look here and
So
there,
according
not
to me,
in focus.
Kamlesh use the better answer for that.
No. I actually said before only. No, I just said that part. He was like
I'm just
kind
revising
of
it.
bored. Maybe because he just started taking interview in the morning and he was taking throughout the day. Maybe that's why. Or I don't know what's the reason, but he was
Maybe the
bored
reason is that he
for
was
sure.
tired.
Yeah, हो सकता है.
Yeah, that's why
But
we guys need to be
yeah,
prepared
we
mentally.
can't. No.
That's-
We can't control all those stuff. It's not in our hands. So
So Kamlesh,
best we can do is just
Kamlesh, it is the third time or the
Mhm.
second time you are appearing for the interview?
Second. Actually, this is the third time.
Third time. That means your last one.
Yeah. No, actually, I think
Last
they
one
don't.
for year, na?
You are up.
I
Yeah.
think in
Actually,
Bangalore
3
there are
attempts
only
per
3 attempts.
year. No. 3 attempts per year or 3 attempts for particular batch.
Okay.
Because
3 attempts per
many
year
of
is.
my because many of my friends also applied fourth time as well.
So we can apply for same batch.
I don't think so. If that batch isn't full, then you can
Depends.
apply for that batch also, because the September 23 batch is being filled since last, I think, September, October. Since that they are taking admissions for September 23.
Because it is batch of
I don't
80
know how they
students.
are alerting the. Yeah.
After
I
September
don't know
batch,
how they
which
are
batch?
alerting.
I think now we should go with the technical questions. It's already
Yes.
half an hour.
Yes.
I'm waiting.
Because we'll run out on the time.
So guys,
Okay.
please be muted. Only Kiran will ask question, then one by one we are going to answer his question, and if anyone cross question, then we'll discuss that. Okay, guys, ready? Okay.
Yes.
Kiran, you can go ahead.
Yes. My first question is, can you difference between two-stroke and four-stroke engine, and why four-stroke engine used as auxiliary engine, and why two-stroke engine is used as the main engine? Anyone?
So
Hello.
Kiran, I would like to answer that why the two-stroke engines are used on ship. Basically, the two-stroke engines are used on ship because it can handle with the low-grade fuel. So that's the reason, and it's the power to weight ratio of the two-stroke engine is more as compared to the four-stroke engine, and because of that, it can carry a more amount of cargo on that. And it is also said that the reliability of the two-stroke engine is more as compared to the four-stroke engine, and the maintenance that is required in the two-stroke engine is less as compared to the four-stroke engine. And in the two-stroke engine, the starting and the reverse, the starting is easy, and the reversing is also easy as compared to the four-stroke engine. And as we know that the two-stroke engine are of low speed, so there is no requirement of gear arrangement and speed arrangement. So that's the reason why we use two-stroke engines on ship.
So can you please explain me how two-stroke engine produces more power as compared to the four-stroke engine?
What?
Can you elaborate that?
Like, can you repeat the
You
question?
say na power to weight ratio of two-stroke engine is more. So how you know the power stroke of two-stroke engine is more? Can you explain that?
It's simple. In the two strokes, so in the two strokes, you are getting a one power stroke, while in the four-stroke engine, in the four-stroke, you are getting a one power stroke. So that's how we can say that the two-stroke engine can generate more power as compared to the four-stroke engine. Kamlesh,
And why
what
it
do you think?
why it
My answer
burns
was
the
what?
And why it burns the cheaper quality of fuel? Do you know?
Because the fuel prices are very high nowadays. The fuel prices are very high, so
No,
we
no. My
have to
question
use
is not that. My question is why two-stroke engine is efficient to burning the low grade oil fuels. So
because
why
of the
it
high
can burn
compression
easily
ratio.
low grade oil fuel?
Yes, yes, yes. Because of the high compression ratio in the two-stroke engine, we get a higher compression ratio. That's the reason.
Instead of this, you says that the stroke length of the two-stroke engine is more. So because of that, it has the compression stroke more.
That's
So
what
mention the
I said.
particular
The
word, that is the
compression
stroke
ratio
length.
is more.
Cause all the answer I collected from the for the student who is selected. They send me answer, and I just carry the all answer here.
Okay.
So please act according to. If your interview is by Braganza Sir, especially Braganza Sir.
So can you
Sorry
repeat
to
that answer once
interrupt
again?
you, but I would like to ask, can you please send those answers on the group so that we can read it and memorize it?
Hello.
So are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
So I am telling you that can you please send those answers on the group so that we can memorize it and as well as read it
So
to give the
instead of
proper
I didn't
reading
say
it,
it.
we will be discussing it here. So you can write it down. I think that would be more
I call
useful
him,
for
so
you
I
guys.
don't have recording, or I don't have some read somewhere. So I just go call them, and they send me their feedback.
Kamlesh, are you
So
here?
I don't have any written copy or any.
See,
But then
while
I was not
we
able.
will discuss, I am recording this meeting and will uploading and will send you on the group. There we can see, we can learn from there only. We can get to know.
Because some of
Okay.
the answers we don't know how to give the answers. That's why I'm asking.
So next question is, what is a tappet clearance and why it is important?
So the tappet clearance is the clearance between the rocker and assembly engine.
Sorry for object. The second part of the question was why four-stroke engine is used as used in auxiliary engine.
Auxiliary engine.
Okay. And
Yes,
two-stroke for
I
main
yes, yes.
engine.
am not sure about
Anyone
that.
like to answer?
Yeah, I would like to answer that question.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so as we know, the two-stroke engines are low RPM engines. Okay, which is we are using as main engine. But for power generation generator, we need high RPM engines. That's why we use four-stroke engines.
So the answer is wrong. The answer will be that the two-stroke can move in both directions, forward as well as off direction. Whereas four-stroke, it only rotate in one direction. Yesterday, Praneeth sir has already told this answer
No, Tushar, I
on
think
the.
you didn't understand the question, what he said. I think you should read the question, read the.
Actually, I'm agreed with Kamlesh answer.
Yes,
Complex
I
answer
also
is
agree with you.
right.
He answered in the right way.
Yes.
Okay.
I think Tushar was not able to recognize the question. That's why he
Recognize that
got
question. Yes, yes, yes.
So you asked me what is the difference between the two-stroke and the four-stroke. Sorry, auxiliary engine and the main engine. So main engine is a two-stroke and the auxiliary engine is four-stroke. So you are asking that what is the difference? That's what I told.
No, the question is why four-stroke engine is used as auxiliary engine.
Yeah, that was the
Okay,
question.
okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
It was totally wrong answer.
See, Tushar, I get you. Yesterday, someone, Rohit, asked to Praneeth sir, sir, on board ship, why main engine is two-stroke engine and auxiliary engine is four-stroke engine? Then sir only said, since two-stroke engine is bidirectional, means reversible engine, that's why we use two-stroke as a main engine. And for auxiliary engine, only generators, it is used to start generators. Okay.
Yes.
So that's why
Yes.
that you are saying, Tushar.
Yes.
You also said that the auxiliary engine, that is four-stroke engine, is used in a high-speed engine. Means we know that the stroke length is small And in four-stroke engine, it is efficiently as a high-speed engine cause of the proper scavenging. Means the time for scavenging is increases. That gives the higher thermal efficiency. For that is also reason for the, you just said the proper scavenging is done because of the all scavenging is done. That means the blowdown of exhaust gases, scavenging and post scavenging is done in four-stroke engine efficiently. So basically it is efficient at a high speed. For that purpose use the auxiliary engine, and it is used to it is used to rotate the shaft of generator. So this is the main reason, proper scavenging, and also its stroke length is less.
Okay. Well,
Hello, any problem?
no. What is your second question? Guys, after 4 minutes, our meeting will be closed. I will send again the link. You have to join again. I think 2 minute lag we have to suffer because it is not a Zoom Pro. That's why only 30-minute recording is available. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
And
you all can see the timing, remaining timing.
you are going to send the recording on the group.
Yeah. I will send. I have sent 2 earlier recording where we discussed, and there only from we are getting the idea that how we are learning and what are the things we are missing. Okay, then only we know and we'll improve from that.
Because recently there is no video available on the group. I'm seeing right now. Okay, no problem.
You have joined late now. I will send again. Okay.
Okay.
Tushar,
No problem. And please send those answers so that I can note it down.
see, for answer you have to first on the prayer basis you have to work from yourself first. We'll support you. Okay.
Okay. No problem. It would be great. No problem. Okay. But sometimes the person was not able to see the whole video, so I was hoping that you some questions will be available and I can read it and note it down on my notebook.
Have you completed Dreamer package?
No, I have, because right now I am preparing for the interviews, and recently I am totally reading about the GME technical questions. Recently,
Dreamer
my
package gonna help
interview.
you in interview. Dreamer package is mostly framed for interview. There you will get most of the answer. Okay. I think one
Okay.
1 minute 46 seconds is remaining. I would like to ask Kiran, tell what is your next question. Then I will put a meeting again for.
What is a tappet clearance and why it is important?
What is tappet
My
clearance?
next question is, what is a tappet clearance and why it is important?
Tappet clearance is the clearance between the rocker arm assembly and the stem of the valves. It should be sufficient because if it will be more, the valves will open early and it will close late.
Bro, what does it affect if the valve open early and close late?
It is used to manage
So I only know
proper
this
valve
much.
timing and the proper engine operations. This is a simple answer, and we used to check the tapper clearance with the help of filler gauge.
Can you repeat, please, Tushar? Can you repeat? I have
It
to
is
note
used
that.
to maintain a proper valve timing as well and a proper engine operations. It is the tapper clearance is measured with the help of filler gauge.
Okay. Thank you, Tushar.
Bro, my question was, what happens if the valve clearance is that clearance is more, tappet clearance is more?
So that's what I
As
said.
Harshit
If the
said.
tappet clearance would be more, the valves will open early and it will close late.
Okay, what does it affect to the engine?
Engine, so the combustion will not take place at a proper timing.
Okay, thank you.
So was my answer like sufficient or you have to add something more?
Yeah,
Kiran?
it's okay. It's sufficient, bro.